Hey, how you doing? Austin here. So you're probably looking on YouTube for why the crypto market is in this flash crash, why it has gone down, why Bitcoin has dropped, why Ethereum has gone down. Found this really fantastic piece of content that I wanted to share with you, and because I've been looking for this for about the last, well, it started at midnight last night when I saw all this happening, and then I looked for a while, went to bed for a while, woke up, we were still in this, and then ultimately found what I believe are some of the very succinct one or two, three things that are relative to why the crypto market has gone into this flash crash, where Bitcoin, has lost over 10,000 plus, in value, etc. If you look right here, the overall market has come back. We were down at one point about negative. We were down 20+% in the overall market. And if you look Bitcoin, it went down all the way into 42,800 range. Obviously, it's come back pretty nicely from that. And Ethereum got down to 3,500, is crossed back over into the 4,000 range, which is good. So we seem to be coming back nicely. But I want to show you this. This is a really interesting piece of content, so bear with me. So I'm going to skip down to the part that I really want to show you, okay? Show you right here. So this all talk that was all talking about that it's been down, etc. So it's a couple of things that seem to have transpired. Number one, stocks on Friday, especially tech stocks, had a very rough day. Okay, so as stocks pulled back, investors fled to the safety of treasuries. Right here, where my mouse is, pushing the 10-year yield lower. Risky tech stocks were among the biggest losers on Wall Street on Friday, etc. Okay, so as the sentiment soured in the tech space, those investors may have also started unloading their crypto. But, okay, look, there was no, right here, there was no, if you can see this highlighted, there was no clear reason for the cryptocurrency drop, especially overnight Saturday when the losses accelerated. Okay, overnight last night, Friday leading into Saturday. But this is an interesting quote. Listen to this. Quote, "The evidence points to this being yet another derivative-induced selling event." And then right here, quote, "The September flash crash back in September had the same drivers as this sell-off. Leverage was flushed from the system in a violent fashion, which later enabled the market to eventually move higher towards a new all-time high in October." Okay, and if you look, everything is pretty much double digits, right? 17, 19, 12, 15%. Shiba's is holding its own, but Polygon down 15, right? Litecoin 21. Everything is in double digits, and it's almost like between 13 and 20+%. It's just like the entire system just went boom and just bam, and haven't seen anything like this in a long, long time. And so kind of where do we end up? What's the bottom line here? The bottom line here, in my opinion, is, and kind of reading this content right here that I'm showing you on the screen, is that there's nothing inherently changed wrong with the crypto market, right? Oh, by the way, there's Omicron out there too, the Delta variant, all that kind of stuff. There's a little bit of fear around that. But to me, this is the heart of the matter. This highlighted right here, it's kind of light gray highlighted. It's a derivative-induced selling event that we saw in September that is setting up potentially some really good stuff. And that's really what I wanted to convey to you. And how I'm looking at this is this is a buying opportunity. I mean, period, end of story. I mean, you're telling me I can go get Polkadot now for an 18.5% discount? Not a bad deal. Or, whatever, right? Go, so whichever one, Litecoin 21%, etc., Uniswap 20%. Whatever crypto tokens, coins you're looking for. All right, so I want to wrap up with that. And as always, check out my Patreon links in the description below if you want help, need help, be part of a community. If you want to get access to early buy alerts on new coins and tokens that I'm looking at, new verticals, gaming, metaverse, things of that nature, my patrons know first. Links in the description below. If you click on it, you can join and cancel at any time at $20. I have an annual option if you want to save some cash. You also get access to a lot of other benefits. You can check them out. If you click that link, you can read them all here. Would love to see you. I'll see you there. Take it easy. Bye. Go make some money.